I'm filming this video using this camera and also this camera, and I'm also using this microphone. This records internal audio which we can use in a multicam setup. Let's head into Resolve and I'll show you how to do that. Here's that main camera angle, here's that B camera angle, and here's that external audio file. I'm currently recording. Let's go and create a multicam clip from all of these files. Going to right click all of them, including the external audio file, and we'll go and create a new multicam clip using selected clips. We'll give it a name and we're going to choose sound to sync these three files on. And for multicam audio, I'm going to choose reference audio angle 1. If we wanted to, we could use different angle names. I'm just going to leave this as sequential so we get angle 1 and 2. And I'm going to uncheck this because I don't want things moving around. And hit create. If we right click on this new multicam clip that was created and open it in the timeline, it's taken this first clip, which is camera angle 1, and then it's used the scratch audio in camera angle 1 and the scratch audio in camera angle 2. But if you look down here, both of these audio files have come from that external audio recorder file. That means if we switch between these two angles when we're editing, we're going to get exactly the same audio, the audio from the external audio recorder. But if that's not what you want, let me show you a different option. We'll open up the media pool and we'll select the three clips again, choose create new multicam clip. We'll call it multicam 2, we'll still sync on sound, but this time we're just going to choose source audio channels and not reference audio angle 1. We'll click that and click create. And if we open up this second multicam clip that we just created, we've got a different multicam setup now. We've still got our main angle and our B camera. For the main angle, if we switch to this and we want the audio from this, we've got it down here. If we want the B camera and the audio that was recorded with the B camera, we've got this angle. And if we just want an audio only angle with the audio from that recorder, we can switch to angle 1. Don't forget though that you can customize your multicam clips even after you've created them. So if you wanted to, you could hold down Alt, click this clip and drag it down. And now angle 1 will contain the picture from the A camera and the audio from the external audio recorder. Check out this video next to learn loads more. I'm Jason Roberts. This is DaVinci Dojo. Please subscribe and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.